Okay, so what were we up to here? I don't exactly remember, but let's find out. It's we, I believe. There you go. What do we got? Do we have any intel?
Fireflies at large. Where there's smoke, he'll have lit the flame.
I mean, there's lots of clouds. Is that smoke or just clouds? I have no idea. In any case, any more of these, whatever they are called, 3 counters? Well, I don't think I have anything else to do. Might as well head to my mission then, which is where exactly there? Analyze Arkham Knight's forces to allow Batman to scan for the cloudburst. Alright. Straightforward. Call in the Batmobile. Let's go.
I'm not afraid of the Bat. I've got a black belt in Krav Maga. Feel sorry for him, really.
Get out of here. So, I think there's still a bomb in this place, right? Yeah, there is still one explosive device. I have no idea where it is.
Who the hell invited Ivy and her damn plants to the party?
That was a nice jump.
Control, this is Falcon 5. I'm seeing a riot in progress. Cauldron District, over.
Alright.
Just
Oh, hello.
think. Robin's down there right now, planning his life with Barbara. Probably thinking of names for all the little rug bats they'll have. What a lucky boy. She is so lovely. Although just a teeny tiny bit on the dead side for my tastes.
You want this? Oh, look at the statue. Oh, and it changed back, of course.
Open.
Who broke? Did I break this?
Sir, how are you going to tell Master Drake about Barbara? He'll be devastated. He could do something dangerous.
I'm not. Not yet. I need him focused on the cure.
Sir, it was bad enough keeping Miss Gordon's abduction a secret. But this? It's wrong.
We have to make sacrifices, Alfred.
Consider those sacrifices wisely, sir. If he finds out she's gone and you didn't tell him, you will lose him forever.
Probably. I don't know. Maybe Batman has a little too much Joker in him now. No. Yeah, the quarantine cells.
Good to see you, Batman. I'm guessing this isn't a social call. Is it as bad as it sounds out there?
Worse.
But nothing you can't handle, right?
We'll see.
Fakes, phonies, charlatans. All of them. I'm telling you, Bats. Now I know how Elvis felt. You know, after he died.
You done? He's still there. What about you?
You got lucky, Bat Freak. This time, the Goliath is ready.
Uh-huh.
You and me, Bat. Toe to toe. Man to man. Freak to freak.
Whatever you say.
The Goliath is back and stronger than ever. I'm gonna have fun with you.
Mm-hmm. Are we done? Nope.
You think you can match me, Bats?
I mean, I can.
Try it. I'll punch those pointy-ass ears into your skull.
We're gonna do one of these and then just beat down. It's easy. Patient records.
Albert King, a.k.a. the Gotham Goliath. Retired prize fighter and the second new victim of Joker's blood. Gotham General failed to accurately record a series of transfusions. During a routine procedure, King was infected with blood from the Arkham City batch. After returning home, 3 members of his immediate family were hospitalized when King forced each of them into an arm wrestling contest, the losers of which had their arms ripped from their bodies. By the time I caught up with him,
failed to accurately
Okay, great.
record a series of transfusions. During a routine procedure, King was infected with blood from the Arkham City batch. After returning home, 3 members of his immediate family were hospitalized when King forced each of them into an arm wrestling contest, the losers of which had their arms ripped from their bodies. By the time I caught up with him, King had smeared blood across his face in order to create a hideous Joker smile.
Alright, I can't talk to him anymore. I cannot. Johnny Charisma, hello.
Couldn't resist, could you, Bast? Oh, look at me! The king has never looked so good!
You look kind of bloody on the face.
Playing around with a little ditty just for you, Batman. I think you're gonna like it. Do 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 do. Ba 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 da ba.
You really don't look very good. Pretty horrible, actually. You done? Nope.
Come on, Bats. It's gotta be showtime. You know you'd look great on stage. You and me, we'd kill it. Really, we would. No, really, we'd kill it. Kill it! And you'd enjoy it, wouldn't you? 'Cause you're sick like me. Like all of us.
Nah, it's not true. Well,
Want me to
we
sing
don't know
for you?
anymore.
Yeah, you do. Just get me an audience. And cameras. I love cameras. I'll make a charismaniac out of you yet.
Mm-hmm. We had to get the most weird people who got infected.
When I get out of here, I'm going international, Batman. Johnny C's big comeback tour just got bigger, bolder, bloodier. My songs are gonna lodge in their brains like a rusty ice pick, baby.
Mm-hmm. Very violent.
Jonathan Brown, aka Johnny Charisma, the self-proclaimed messiah of entertainment.
What happened to
Infection
him?
first diagnosed 4 weeks ago after coming off stage and beating a groupie into a coma.
Great.
As far as the rest of the world is concerned, he is attending rehab in an exclusive clinic. It would appear that the infection has amplified a not inconsiderable ego into something far greater. Current projections indicate that the infection will be at maximum levels within 48 hours. Infection first diagnosed 4
Alright.
weeks ago after coming on stage and beating a...
Is that like a real rocket?
Let me out of here.
As far as the
What will
rest
my
of the
wife
world is
say?
concerned,
How many
he is
more
attending
tests can you
rehab in an
possibly need?
exclusive clinic.
Calm down,
It
Henry.
would appear that the infection
Trying to
has
save
amplified
lives
a not
here.
I will not
inconsiderable
calm
ego
down.
into something
I've had
far
enough of your
greater.
prodding and
Current
poking,
projections
locking me up
indicate
with
the
these
infection will be at
maniacs.
maximum levels
You have no
within
right to
48
keep me
hours.
here. No right!
Trust me, you're safer in here than out there. We'll be done in a few hours, if you cooperate.
That's understandable. Doesn't seem jokered up, just annoyed. Which makes sense. I mean, you've been held in here for how long now? Christina Bell.
It's good to see you back. Did you miss me? I know you did. Is it my turn to experiment on Robin yet? I'll show the boy how to draw blood.
Female Joker. Basically Harley Quinn, right?
Look, Bats, this Robin. He's an amateur, a baby. He doesn't deserve you, Batsy. The boy's never brooded in his life.
You'll start brooding soon, I think, when I tell him the news.
Besides, you've got all the sidekick you need right here. And I'll prove it to you. Robin and I will fight. And whoever gouges out the other's eyeballs first gets to be your best friend. He's cool with it, I asked.
Did you? Did you really ask? More?
When you threw me in here, I thought you'd at least torture me a bit, Pats. You know, whip out the Iron Maiden, play with the old thumb screws. But trying to cure me? Oh, that's really cruel.
Patient
Christina
records.
Bell, an executive at Queen Industries. She was exposed to Joker's blood during a transfusion following a miscarriage. 3 weeks after the transfusion, Christina returned to work and entered the boardroom for a monthly meeting of shareholders, only to find her seat had been taken. All 11 men in the room were found with their throats slit and smiles carved into their faces.
Great.
When confronted with her crimes, Christina merely laughed. She appears to have taken on the more extreme aspects of Joker's personality, and since her incarceration, she has displayed signs of Stockholm Syndrome. 3 weeks after the transfusion,
So 3
Christina
weeks.
returned to work.
This was
and
4
entered the boardroom
weeks.
for a monthly meeting
This
with
was like
shareholders,
immediately after
only to find her seat
the
had been
transfusion.
taken. All 11 men in the room were found with their throats slit and smiles carved into their faces.
This is my cell.
Confronted with her crimes, Christina merely laughed. She appears to have taken on the more extreme aspects of Joker's personality, and since her incarceration, she has displayed signs of Stockholm Syndrome.
This is me. Henry Adams.
Henry Adams, current headmaster of the McCallum Academy, one of Gotham's most prestigious schools. Henry
Okay.
Adams is an anomaly. He has been infected the longest, having received a blood transfusion following the successful hip replacement operation. After returning to work, staff reported that he had changed for the better, having become both calmer and more friendly. When I approached Henry after learning of his transfusion, he refused to be taken into care and had to be forcibly detained. I believe that if there is a cure to this affliction, it will be found in Henry.
Or he may be the worst of all,
Henry
hiding
Adams
it.
is an anomaly. He has been infected the longest,
And then
having
hiding it.
received a blood transfusion following the successful hip
Yo, what the hell is
replacement
this? Some kind of
operation.
equipment
After
thing.
returning to work, staff reported that he had changed for the
Freeze
better,
blast.
having become both calmer
Just
and
lying
more
there, man.
friendly. When I approached Henry after learning of his transfusion, he refused to be taken into care and had to be forcibly detained. I believe that if there is a cure to this affliction, it will be found in Henry.
Alright, give me this thing. How come I never had this until now? Temporarily incapacitated enemies solidifies high temperature gas outlets. Yeah, take it. It was just lying there, man. Batman, why would you do that? Here's a chair. It's some vial, the mechanical arm, alright.
The
Robin.
information you requested is here on the back computer. It doesn't look good.
It almost
We're
never
close.
does.
I've isolated the prion-infected cells in Henry's blood. I'll need a couple more hours to develop an antibody.
Okay.
I heard you took a bullet earlier. Look, Lucius said the suit can compress around wounds, but you should really get it looked at.
Probably.
You're taking a risk with Ivy. You think she's just gonna help us and walk away?
Batman has a contingency plan, I hope.
We're close. I've isolated the prion-infected cells in Henry's blood. I'll need a couple more hours to develop an antibody.
Henry Adams,
Let me call
hello.
my wife, please. My darling Judy. I'm afraid she doesn't cope very well without me.
It's a reasonable ask. Okay.
No more tests, Batman. I beg you. I just want to go home.
Reasonable again.
Put yourself in my shoes. Would you put up with being treated like some damn guinea pig?
Understandable. Doesn't. I mean, he may be hiding it, which is what I think.
Let me call my wife, please. My darling Judy. I'm afraid she doesn't
More
cope very
mechanical
well without
arms
me.
with stuff. And bat computer. Hello.
Sir, the long-range scanners have not been able to locate the cloudburst.
Deploy the Batwing and run a low-level thermal scan.
We can't, sir. Founders Island is protected by 2 radar towers connected to a long-range missile launcher. You won't be able to get the Batwing or indeed the Batmobile anywhere near there.
Take it out.
I can destroy the radar towers on foot, if we can just find a way to disable the drones protecting them.
Well, there is one possibility. I've identified a special drone that appears to be acting as a relay hub managing all communications.
If I can get my hands on that drone, there's a chance we can reverse engineer the security protocols and give me a window to take out those radar towers.
A chance, perhaps, sir. But it sounds dangerous. Too dangerous.
It's the only way. I'll keep you updated.
Alright, let's find this giant
Still haven't
drone,
heard from
flying
Barbara.
one.
Trust me, Robin. She's fine. I need you to focus on the cure.
You don't have to do this on your own, Bruce. I can help you.
It's under control. We need that antidote.
We're getting there. It won't be long now. Look, if you need help, you know where to find me.
Yeah. She may not be dead, or she may be dead. The other guys did say she's
Looks
dead.
bad out there, doesn't it?
Yep, it
The
does.
Knight's army is all over Gotham.
I can handle it.
I hope you're right.
He's inside
This is
there.
insane.
What are you even doing? MRI scan?
I heard you took a bullet earlier. Look, Lucius said the suit could compress around wounds.
Hello,
You should
Joker.
really get it looked at.
I thought for sure you were going to tell him. Come clean like you did with Gordon. Ah, but you realized. Why break him now when we can crush him later? It's classic Joker. Something truly beautiful is happening, Bats.
I'm turning into you. We done here? I think so. Oh, he's gone. Use the elevator. I guess we're going to clear out Founders Island finally. Been long enough.
So, I've been rooting around in this bat-infested cave of a mind, and it seems like you actually believe this cure nonsense.
Yeah.
Oh, Bruce, forget about the cure. You just concentrate on taking out the Arkham Knight. It'll be your swan song. The last good thing you'll ever do.
Yeah, that's why I got a cell for myself, I think. I know that. Bleak Island. So now I gotta head over here and destroy the Arkham Knight's defense grid on Founders Island to allow the Batwing to scan for the cloudburst, glide onto the relay drone and examine it to find a way to defeat the drone forces. That seems normal. So like the flying drones, I guess I glide on top of normally and just destroy them.
Two-Face's hitting banks? Good.
Wait. Maybe it's underground.
Plenty of tanks still driving around.
Yeah, maybe the bomb is down here somewhere. That's why I've not seen it yet. Solve that. I don't know, I don't see it really.
You keep fighting, Batman, despite setback, failure, and loss. It's a pleasure to watch such resolve, delinquent.
Hello. There you are. Been looking for you.
All right, sir. Connection established. As expected, sir, a small drone force has been deployed to stop you.
Expected.
Batmobile spotted! He's by the shipping yard!
Well, thank you for that.
Been hit. Batman's taken out a drone.
Not until I finish this off.
Oh my god.
Rattler down!
There you go. How many drones you got?
I've lost the drone! Confirm multiple hits, over. The
Ow.
Rattler!
What the hell is going on? Stop this. There you go, got them all.
Drone's off.
The bomb's payload is exposed. I can use the power winch to trigger a controlled explosion.
Yeah, from real far away. Boom.
Excellent work. Bomb defused.
Can we get cars now on the street?
Push it! And I might just pull the trigger on this place!
Bleak Island, no more threats. Does that do anything for me? I guess not. Threats eliminated. Alright, well, that's good. Oh my god.
Behind me or the bat?
I mean, she'll probably betray me and then I'll destroy her. Usually how it works. Oh, there's a bomb, a watchtower, and a checkpoint here. Alright.
The hell is that thing? It's a bat. Turn around. Go, go.
Oh my god.
You ever wonder if this whole thing is some kind of psychological experiment? Like we're all just pawns in somebody's twisted game? No? Yeah, me neither.
Yeah, me neither. Alright, let's head over.
What do you mean, possible sighting of a second Batman? How many are
Second
there?
Batman. Hello, Joker.
Look at all the construction work. No economic downturn here. Pretty ugly, though. The way they're building all that new stuff right on top of the old. I didn't know we had an architectural connoisseur on the squad. Hey, I know an ugly skyscraper when I see one. Besides, have you been down there? The underside? It's creepy. All those abandoned shops and empty alleys.
I was just trying to imagine what it'd be like to have you stuck in my head, Brucey. Suicidally bored.
Ah, don't be that boring. You got an extreme good fighter on your hands. Or in me. That was in your head.
Don't pretend you haven't spotted all these watchtowers popping up on rooftops. This is our domain, Bats. Surely you're not gonna let some jumped-up jawheads muscle in on our turf.
Serpent offline!
Yep, Serpent is offline. I have come over to your turf. Well, it's my turf, and then you took it over. So now I'm taking it back. Starting with these flying things.
Batman just hit a Serpent drone!
Wherever I see them, I will kill them. Because these are like, this is a big planes, man. Yeah, you gotta get rid of them.
Anyway, you can't scratch them with a freaking rocket launcher.
Not anymore, you can't.
Serpent down!
I used to be able to. Then I fortified it. So I can't land on and take it out. I guess it's just got people inside of it.
So that's Wayne Tower? No, I don't think so. It's Wayne Internet. Batman's here! Engage! Guns, over here!
Oh, here we go. We just pulled out a tube. Oh, we destroyed it.
The relay chip will allow me to temporarily blind the drones. That should give me enough time to take out the 2 radar towers.
Alright. RHD, drone hacker. Temporarily disable drone targeting. Device can only disable 1 drone at a time. Are we gonna use it like right now?
I need to destroy the radar before the drone comes back online.
Yeah, let me jump off the damn roof then. Dummy.
I made it crystal clear in my last medical. Botanophobia.
Botanophobia.
Plants, you idiot.
Boom, there
That's
goes
the first
one.
radar tower dealt with.
All units, we've lost radar coverage in Sector 1. Probable malfunction. I'm assigning tech now. Relay network, it was Batman. Radar Tower B, prepare yourselves. Alpha target incoming. Bringing that tank of his onto this island.
We do this right, we're in good with the night.
What? Oh, the thing is back.
I
So
hope the
be
bat
it.
does show. I want to scalp this stuff.
Predictable? How's this for predictable? Get out of here. Get out of here. Getting a little destroyed, are we? Try to block with your blade. You're gonna block Batman with a knife? Get out of here. I'll just keep punching.
Oh, Bruce. I know how you feel about this Arkham Wannabat. The same way I feel about those cheap Joker knockoffs you've got at the movie studios. There can only be one Joker, Bats, and it's me. I mean, you. Okay, us. Time we did. Massacre the lot of them and purify the Joker gene pool.
I could have gone in through here, I see. We use this. Alright. Rip it open. Ah, turrets.
I can use the remote hacking device to temporarily blind the sentry gun.
That's good. Helpful.
It's not a bomb, it's a delivery system. It spreads the toxin. Probably cover a city this big in about 20 seconds.
20 seconds. It's pretty fast. Get rid of these sentries. Don't want to worry about that.
We're supposed to keep watch for that kid.
No more radar.
Alfred, I've dealt with the radar.
Now there's just the trivial matter of a long-range missile launcher. Once it's been taken care of, I can deploy the Batwing to scan for the cloudburst.
I'm heading there now.
Take out the long-range missile launcher. That sounds easy.
We've lost the second radar. He bypassed the sentry gun. How is that possible?
Easily.
Missile launcher in play. I control these skies.
Answer is pretty easily. You do not control these skies, at least not with this drone, you don't.
Drone's been hit.
How is he doing there? It's supposed to be impossible. Oh, I see another one. Wait, is that even
He's coming for us.
That's not.
He's used to fighting street punks. They're scared. I'm not.
Should be.
Don't underestimate him. So the Knight keeps telling us, you're all giving the Bat too much respect. You think he lasted this long on luck? Yeah, and it's about to run out.
Huh. You listen to your friend. Seems like a smart guy. Knows what's going on.
What drives you, Batman? For most souls, it's fear of loneliness, of poverty, of death, but not you. You act like a man who mistakenly believes his worst fears have already come to pass.
And you're saying they haven't.
Think the bat will try something? I got him! He's heading up! Track him! Get away! After him!
Alright, there you go. I'm gone. How am I supposed to know you were just standing there?
So what were you? Navy? Marines? Special Forces? Yeah, I thought you were special.
Oh, they're not up here, huh? Those guys are down there.
I look out there, see those cars racing around. When are we gonna get some action? Don't tempt fate. This is an easy gig. I like it that way. Hey, Batman! What the hell are you doing? Tempting fate. We're right.
What's the matter? Guilt finally getting to you? Or is it the fact that deep down, you know your days are numbered? That Gotham is fallen, and that the thing you feared the most is becoming a reality.
I'm just looking for a way in. And like...
Well, you had enough yet, punk? Speak
well, that's
up.
not
We
it.
can't hear you. You won't win. You make it sound like you're still in the fight. This game is over, pal. You're finished. The whole city's gone under. There's not a damn thing you or anyone can do about it. Look around. Everyone's gone. Yeah, they bailed. These streets are ours. Not even the cops want to mess with us. Not if they know what's good for him. I think we hurt his feelings. He looks upset. I know what we can do to make things better. Yeah, me too.
Alright, let's fear multi-takedown.
Keep him coming, Batman. Hit harder, freak.
Oh, come on. Stop beating me up. I can't believe how inconsistent. I just want to do the electric box takedown. I'm pressing space in it, but nothing happens.
Sorry, Batman. It's our city now.
Who the hell are you? Random man? Get out of here. I wanted to do the takedown with the electric box because it's instant.
Both radars are down. He's coming for us. Let him. I'll destroy you.
Jump over his head. There you go. Oh, come on. What?
Here's one you met already. You ain't never hit me.
Oh, come on.
Hit harder, freak.
I'm dead. What the hell, dude? Why is this fight insanely hard? And why can I never do it?
You survived everything I ever threw at you, only to die now like this?
I don't know. I'm really worried. Like, why? What? I don't understand. I wanted to do that takedown. Why is the takedown so hard? Isn't it like space and button press? It doesn't work.
Both radars are down. He's...
We'll take you down immediately.
I'm gonna mess you up.
You know what? We started working on this guy. take out anyone who tries to get in my way. I guess I'm working on you now. What do you mean? From how far away? What the hell? Okay, you stop this. There you go, finally. That's one big guy down. Eat a bat. That's why they call me Batman. There you go, finally. Took long enough.
Thank God you're here. Don't go.
Yeah, I'll rescue you, firefighter. Don't even know how many more are left. Come on.
You know, I'm grateful for a job, but I never signed up for this. First the fires, now the whole city under attack?
I'm positive the arsonist you were tracking was Firefly.
Was he?
Firefly? That explains a lot. Those fires were something else. Some of the worst I've seen.
Was there anything linking them? Location, type of building?
Yeah. They were all abandoned tenements or redevelopment projects. Does that mean something?
I can't say for certain yet. Don't worry. You'll be taken back to GCPD. Wait here.
How? I have no idea. Apparently you will. Okay, only got like 4 or 5 more. That's good.
So that means it was Firefly who attacked the truck. I guess we're not his favorite kind of people, huh?
Nope, you're
What the hell's
firefighters.
happening to the city? Seems like all we're missing is a plague of locusts.
That would be pretty
so that
bad.
means it was...
Plague of locusts? I'm sure Batman has a ability with locusts, though, right? Probably. What is all this stuff? 1. Increase the duration of remote hacking device jamming effect, leaving drones blind to your presence for twice as long. Sure. And proximity when automatically detonate and encase an enemy in ice. Sure. You have so many 4 ones here. In gadget skills and gadget tech. No 4 ones in combat, though, at least. That's
It's
something.
Firefly who attacked the truck. I guess we're not his favorite kind of people.
And up we go. What do we got going on over here? They're off on they're off of alert now. I guess I was gone for a bit.
Everybody stay sharp. Stay alert, everyone.
This will do just fine. Down this guy goes.
I'm picking up the signal again. Report in, all of you. Roger. Damn it. Signal's gone. He could be anywhere. I've been to war zones nicer than this city. Signal's back. I've lost the signal. Radio silence. Someone down. Flip the room.
Someone. I think you're missing the point. A lot of
Picking up
people.
the signal again. I know. You think he's dead? No, he's still breathing. You think it's Batman? Yeah. He's here. Somewhere. Nothing we signal's back! I've lost the signal! Okay, standard bat assault protocol. Man out, check your corners. He could be anywhere. Keep it
Nope.
together!
No more signals for you. Alright.
It's over, you know. Your mission, your little holy war. It all ends tonight.
I mean, I doubt that. Doing pretty well.
Everybody stay calm. Hey, what happened to you? Target's on the move! Move on my location! He went this way! Lost him! Keep looking! I'm gonna assess the guy he took out earlier. Poor guy. What's wrong? There! It's Batman! He's over there! This way! Over here!
Nope. Get out of here. All guys down.
Gamma 4 status. Gamma 4, do you copy?
Nope.
Sir, he's going for the defense shield.
That I am.
The armor on the missile launcher is too thick for me to penetrate. I need something with a little more punch. It's being protected by a defense shield. I can lower it in the control room.
Where? Oh, okay. There's nobody in here? Alright. Oh, that's nice. Use computer.
I'll stay in the control room and bring the car in remotely. I can't let the militia get in here and re-enable the defenses.
Gotta get the car over there.
Alfred, I need you to lower the bridges.
Of course, sir. I see you're making full use of the Batmobile's remote guidance system.
That I am.
Sir, Batman's lowering all 3 bridges into Founders Island. He's bringing the car to destroy the missile launcher. Deploy Strike Team Delta to target location now. Yes, sir. What about the Batmobile? Activate the Cobra Squadron. Right into the ground.
There goes one.
You're not drawing me out, Batman. There's a whole world of hurt coming your way, Batman.
Oh, actually, it's coming your way.
Lost contact with the drone, sir. Send backup now.
I need to destroy the Cobra tanks and then
Inbound,
take
sir.
out the missile
About
launcher.
2 clicks south of target location.
Sorry about this, Graves, but boom.
Cobra offline. I've got support nearby. I'm sending it in. We know where you are, Batman. You're not getting out of that control room alive.
Really?
Cobra takedown. Holding formation. Sir, I don't think 5 tanks was enough.
No, they were not. But here's the last one. It's not doing so well. Boom.
Riker Heights unit offline. Strike Team Delta deployed. They're heading to target location.
You're trapped, Knight. You put up a good fight, but now you lose.
time to take out the missile launcher.
Like being stuck. Rooftops clear. Target's in the control room. Moving into secure.
Hold here.
Lieutenant. He's mine.
Are he's coming in. Hello.
You got me. Okay, I give up.
Where'd he go?
Raise the defense shields. Keep all access points covered.
Oh, seriously? He heard you boys coming from a mile away. Those pointy ears aren't just for show, you know.
Man, I need
Sir,
them
the launcher is secure.
from above
As long
them.
as we control the skies, he'll never find it.
Good. Are we still on schedule?
We're entering the final phase.
Your patience will be rewarded soon.
There's no way he got out. We had the door covered.
There are ways.
There are ways.
Perimeter's clear. No sign of target.
Copy that. He's gone, sir.
Is he?
Looks like the bat scare's easy. I was looking forward to putting a bullet in his head.
He could take you all. Remember that. He's out there somewhere. I want him found.
If I just wait, will they go away? I don't think they are gonna leave. Well. Oh.
Who are you? Not yet, Dark Knight.
Oh. Did he disappear in a cloud of smoke? Wow. Scared much?
There we go. All fixed up. Cover me. I'm fixing this guy.
Get zapped. What? I'll take this pipe. I do love hitting people with pipes. You left? Get beat up with a pipe? We done? Alright.
The Arkham Knight. Tell me you have a name.
I don't, sir. Of the few Arkham Asylum patients who weren't recaptured and sent to Arkham City, none appear capable of organizing and leading such an assault.
He's not a ghost, Alfred. He's got training and a grudge. Widen the search to include anyone ever committed to Arkham because of me.
Sir,
You heard me.
that's a great many individuals, sir.
I know, Alfred. I'm trusting you to narrow it down.
Alright. We're trying to figure out who this Arkham Knight fellow is. Let's get back to it though. Lower the shields again. Alright. And where's the car? Still here. Hello, bomb.
This is just the beginning. We succeed here in Gotham. We can take the whole country.
Yeah, even Superman, but I know he exists. Ow! What do you want me to do? Yeah, I'm getting blasted, dude. What do you want? You know, getting shot to hell is not fun.
You're outside when it hits your soar. That's why we're getting a heads up. They'll be underground. Safe.
Oh, I got it. There you go.
You think you can outwit me? You think I'm just like all the others?
Probably. You done tapping?
Alfred, the Arkham Knight's missile launcher is destroyed. I'm calling in the Batwing to start searching for the cloudburst. Upload the results to the clock tower once it's complete.
Okay. Creature of the night. Use the mission select screen to pick your next objective. You have intel on firefighters, on vehicles, on Founders Island, yeah. Intel on Penguin. You got a lot. Alright, anyway. I'll continue. Oh, let's talk to him first. Then we'll
Okay,
continue.
now we're done playing soldiers. Let's have some real fun. We'll take turns. You do a little bit of, I don't know, crime scene investigating or some of Riddler's OC delightful scavenger hunt. Then I'll do some hit and runs in the Batmobile. I promise I'll hand control of your body right back when my turn's done.
Sure, buddy. Whatever you can dream. I'm leaving this place. Hopefully the game will save once I'm out. Right? I don't know. Well, in any case, we got a lot of stuff to do here, as you can see. Militia compound, crime scene. Just an insane amount of stuff on this island. So yeah, gotta get all that done. What is this? Ace Chemicals? Okay, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one.